Hey, what's up guys? Lawrence over at the Good Time Garage. Just showed up today to go put on, we got some goodies for the new GT350. Should look pretty sick.
Get the front and the rear wheel weights so that can be used as a reference, because I can't find weights on these wheels anywhere and nobody knows the weights of the stock factory wheels. So this will be a good little fact-finding experience.
Thank you Walmart or Walgreens.
Digital scale, $43 digital scale. Bill of materials probably about $8.
From China. Look at these guys hard at work. Discount on Horizon and Green Valley doing work.
These are the tinted Shelby wheels. They have these in a non-tinted form as well. Got the CS21 Shelby forged wheels for the GT350. We're gonna go ahead and weigh them before we put them on the car, just so we know exactly what they weigh, and then we're gonna weigh the stock wheels afterwards. Here's the front right here. Oh man, what's going on there? It's slippery. 26 pounds it looks like for the front. Here's the rear. $26.4. The difference between the two, one's a 19 by 11, the other's a 19 by 10 and a half. Very slight difference. Slight difference in weight. Let's see what the factory wheels weigh.
Alright you guys, so these were the stock wheels and tires that came off the GT350.
Now notice these are the Cup, Sport Cup 2s, which was a 2019 production year change. They started even doing the GT350 base model with the Cup 2 tires to go with their different aero package that they changed in 2019 as well. Got wheels off the car. We're going to go ahead and weigh the factory wheels now, see what those weigh. We'll do the front first. If you recall, the front wheel weighed 26 pounds even on the Shelby wheel. This front wheel is coming in at 30.4. So that's a nice 4 pound plus or minus a little bit unsprung weight difference. That should be nice. Go ahead and weigh the rear. See what the rear comes in at. We got 29.4, interestingly enough. So a little less than 4 pounds unsprung weight savings. I'm not sure how the rear wheel, being wider, weighs less than the front wheel. I don't know. But at any rate, that's what they are. So we'll get the wheels on the car and we'll show you what it looks like.